Hey there, parents-to-be. Welcome back to the channel where we keep your pregnancy journey smooth, safe, and super informed. Today, we're diving into something that every expecting mum needs to know: foods to avoid during pregnancy, and what to eat instead. If you're unsure about what's off limits and what can nourish both you and your baby, this video is just for you. Let's get into it. Pregnancy is such an exciting time, but it's also filled with lots of new responsibilities, especially when it comes to your diet. The foods you eat now play a direct role in your baby's development and your own well-being. But not everything that was okay before is safe during these 9 months, so knowing what to skip and what to replace it with is super important. Let's start with one of the most talked about no-nos: raw or undercooked foods. This includes sushi with raw fish, rare meat, soft-boiled eggs, or even unpasteurized cheese. These can contain bacteria or parasites like Listeria or Salmonella, which your immune system is now less equipped to fight off during pregnancy. Instead, opt for fully cooked versions of your favorite dishes. Cooked fish like salmon or tilapia is not only safe, but also packed with omega-3s that are great for your baby's brain development. Speaking of fish, mercury is another concern. Certain types of fish like shark, swordfish, king mackerel, and tilefish have high levels of mercury, which can harm your baby's developing nervous system. That doesn't mean cutting out seafood completely. Just stick with low-mercury options like shrimp, sardines, or even canned light tuna a couple of times a week. They're safe, nutritious, and can satisfy those seafood cravings. Now let's talk about deli meats and cold cuts. These can also carry Listeria if not heated properly. A sandwich may seem innocent enough, but if it includes processed meats, it's better to heat them until they're steaming hot before eating. Alternatively, grilled chicken or baked tofu makes a delicious and safe sandwich filling during this time. Another one to watch out for is unwashed fruits and vegetables. While produce is a healthy staple, it needs a thorough rinse before you eat it. Raw sprouts like alfalfa, clover, and radish are also best avoided because they can harbor bacteria inside the seeds where even washing can't reach. But don't ditch your greens. Cooked veggies and well-washed fruits are fantastic options. Think steamed spinach, roasted sweet potatoes, and colorful fruit bowls. Caffeine is a tricky one. A little coffee in the morning won't hurt, but high levels of caffeine can increase the risk of miscarriage or low birth weight. Most experts say keeping it under 200 milligrams per day is okay, which is about 1 12-ounce cup of coffee. If you're craving something warm and comforting, try herbal teas like ginger or peppermint, which are also known to help with nausea and digestion. Just be sure to check that your chosen tea is pregnancy safe. Let's not forget sugar and highly processed foods. While they might taste great and offer quick energy, they often lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes, not to mention unnecessary weight gain and increased risk of gestational diabetes. Instead, go for natural snacks like bananas, yogurt, or a small handful of nuts. These give you the energy and nutrients you need without the sugar roller coaster. Alcohol is an absolute no during pregnancy. There's no known safe amount, and it can lead to serious complications like fetal alcohol syndrome. If you're looking for something celebratory, there are some amazing alcohol-free mocktails out there, or sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice. You won't feel like you're missing out, and your baby will thank you for it. Also, steer clear of excess vitamin A, especially from animal sources like liver. While vitamin A is crucial for fetal development, too much of it in the wrong form can be harmful. Stick with prenatal vitamins and food sources like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach that contain beta-carotene, a safe version of vitamin A your body converts as needed. Let's touch on hydration too. While water might not technically count as food, it's essential to a healthy pregnancy. Staying well hydrated helps with digestion, supports increased blood volume, and even eases common pregnancy discomforts like headaches or swelling. If you're struggling to get your daily water in, add a splash of lemon or cucumber for a flavor boost. Finally, always remember that your body will give you cues. If something makes you feel off or gives you discomfort, it's okay to avoid it, even if it's technically safe. Every pregnancy is unique, and tuning into how you feel is just as important as any guideline. And if you're ever unsure, don't hesitate to consult with your doctor or a nutritionist. They'll help tailor advice that fits your individual needs. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this helped clear up some confusion around what to eat and what to avoid during pregnancy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future videos on pregnancy and baby care. Drop a comment below with your favorite healthy pregnancy snack, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and happy growing, Mama.